How to turn on or off groups notifications on Imo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off or on your groups notifications on your Imo app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your application, click on it. In here, click on your profile up there to go to the settings. Now click on settings, and you're gonna find notifications, which is the first option. Click on it. Here you have the second option, which is big groups. Click there. You have allow notifications, and you have notifications vibrate, notifications sounds, or notifications to change ringtone. And here you have to turn off lock screen notifications. Choose wherever you want from those options. For example, if you can turn on notification at all, like this, and turn on all of those options, or turn off sound of notifications, or sound, or vibrate, or lock screen, and let notifications on. And this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like.